Hey everyone, today is 15th of December. Today I'm going to show you one debugging session I had today. It's about how to do your Google login, right, in your website, web app, mobile app. And while setting this up, you're going to have to set up an OAuth client, right, with Google Console. And in that, there is a one issue that you will always be faced, right, like redirect URI mismatch, and this error could be solved through Google Cloud Console. This is a configuration, and this configuration has to be done here. So there has to be two authorized redirect UI, right? One is for the local host when you run in your local site, so it can connect to your Google and can just check, right? So the API auth is this one exactly, and for Java and whatever domain you have, and you just have to just create this slash API slash auth slash Google. When you do this, then your Google login will work. So you must save this, and this is the reason I am here today. Like if you ever face, let me show you what problems are going to face if you don't do this properly. Okay. So if you just, for example, we go up to chapter.xyz, right? You have this sign up with google.com, right? You create, you go business district, for example, this is my own, and ask your password, you give, and you so I use passkey, which is more the modern trends. So you must make sure you allow this passkey, and it's signing in, you see, and you are signed in. See, it's working right now. So, yep, see what is happening here. Everything's deployed properly. Yep, done. So you can check and everything is all here. Go to checkout button. Everything works here. Right. So this is what I want to show you. Sign out. Sign out. Thank you very much for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow at youtube.com at AI Augmented, and we have our blogs where we'll be writing about this stuff. It's called medium.com slash md.abir1203, and also we have our own behind. There is a newsletter. We'll be writing this stuff for it's like bi-weekly newsletter we started about AIX digital identity systems. So you're gonna watch it there in bi-monthly actually, not bi-weekly. I'm planning to do it bi-monthly. It's like every month to publishing publishment. No, sorry. Okay, I'll take that back. Okay, every month two newsletter publishers, which will show you how digital identity, AI, and privacy tech works underneath the hood, right? And we have been using this for a long time, but we don't know how it works under the hood. So we are going to give you knowledge about it. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.